Go Cubert. Go Cubert. Go Cubert. Go Cubert. Go. I think he heard us talking about Cosmo. Well, heard me talking. You guys were, I guess, typing. Cubert is just about 14.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Only wants to throw kisses or farts at me.
Who's home, Kiki?
What are you doing? I'm just a jerk. It's moving.
No, she can hear you. I turned it all the way up.
Awesome. Hi, Kiki. Woo! Oh, wow. For 5 months. Not even 4 months. That is.
I did.
And the Chloe jackpot. It down on the floor. Now they act like they know. Then you dance the way you fit in the pants. All that.
Did it the first time. She gently grabbed my thumb, but then like pushed it away.
I'm not getting him started on that screaming goat again. He hasn't done that in a long time, thankfully. Don't even think about it. Don't you do it. Okay. I thought he was going to. He psyched me out and gave me a kiss instead. Yeah, that was the worst idea ever, playing that frickin' Thor Love and Thunder for him. I want an apple.
Cannot grab an apple. We don't have any.
No apples.
Birds don't apple anyway.
Birds don't apple. They're an apple gift. Oh, no apple. Well, you just wait, Kiki. As soon as there's an apple gift, I'll flood your thingamajigger with it. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, I can't gift you anyways, because we're not in a multi-guest thing. I just about gifted myself. Yes, I gave myself half the money. A third of it. Hi, Amanda. Thank you for the follow. Jacob, have you seen Thor Love and Thunder?
You just hanging out, Kiki? We'll do tricks for apples.
Yeah, that one. I'll tag you in the video. I'll do it right now while I'm thinking about it. Oh, I can't. I can't log in through Qbert. But there's a video of Qbert doing that.
Hello. Are you an apple?
Being a good bird? Huh? Being a good bird? Kiki. Kiki's delivery service.
She wants to go back to her cage, so I'm going to bring her, but I'll just pause for a second because she might just want to get a snack and hang out on top.
Okie dokie, Loki.
There we go. Sorry
Mama
about
Loki.
that. Sorry about that.